operator to refer to the array element that matched a criteria. Yes, right. But it has a limitation. So let me come up with a convoluted example on where it would fail. First, we create a course. We add a couple modules to the course. That's easy, right? We set modules to an empty array, right, for that particular course. So there we have it. Modules is empty, and then we push into the modules. We just add maybe a couple modules. Yes, a couple modules. There's module 1, module 2. Now I'm going to add to the first module, right, the one that matched the first or second or third module. I'm going to add a lesson. Right, so I'm going to add lessons. Here's my first lesson, and I can add several lessons. Now I'm going to add a topic to that lesson. Right, that would mean that I would have to iterate over the lessons, then iterate over the topics. Yes, right, and then insert in there. Yes, well, that's a problem because I would have to use $2. Right, the first one I know it's iterating over the modules, and the second one would have to iterate over the lessons. Yes. Well, it doesn't support that. Mongo does not support double positional operators, right? It's a limitation. It says too many positionals. If you know the exact position, you can. If you know it's the first one, you can put a 0 and say, okay, well, it's the first one, right? But it does not keep track of multiple positional operators. It'd be nice to have like $1, $2, right? And say, well, it's the first operator, the second operator, and whatnot, right? And now you can insert. So this limitation is one of the things that is kind of like a tie-in to. You would have to do this programmatically, right? You would have to use a library, to programmatically interact with the database, right? Load the data model into memory, manipulate the data model, and then push it back into the database, right? And that's exactly what we're going to do next.